This is my cat Toby. Well, when I say my cat, it's one of the multiple cats in the house. Toby's one of the special cats that we have because I let him sit in my office. And by sit, I mean sleep. Because that's what he does most of the time, sleep. Now, unlike many other cats, he's deaf. So, he actually sleeps on some cloths on top of the washing machine. And he's fine with that. He's completely okay with the sound of it because he doesn't hear the sound. He feels the occasional vibration, but he is so completely deaf. Toby! Toby! It's amusing. Makes him a brilliant work colleague, except when he wakes up. But then again, when he does wake up, there's an absolutely fantastic thing that happens. Just listen for the trill. You okay, Toby? Yes, Toby, yes. Ooh. I think Toby's happy, don't you? Hey, there you go, more Toby.